Mars, the red planet. For centuries it has beckoned us with its rusty hue, a tantalizing enigma in our night sky. Its surface, a tapestry of canyons, volcanoes and polar ice caps, whispers tales of a once dynamic world. It's a siren song for scientists and dreamers alike, a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity for the unknown. Mars is more than just our celestial neighbour, it's a looking glass, reflecting our own planet's past and hinting at the future of space exploration. Through the lenses of telescopes and the treads of rovers, we've begun to unravel the Martian mysteries. We've discovered evidence of ancient rivers and oceans, hinting at a time when Mars might have harboured life. Today, we journey to three of Mars's most captivating features: Olympus Mons, Valles Marineris and the polar ice caps. These landmarks stand as silent witnesses to Mars's tumultuous past, whispering stories of a planet more Earth-like than we could have imagined. Dominating the Martian landscape is Olympus Mons, a shield volcano of staggering proportions. This behemoth dwarfs any volcano on Earth, standing 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Imagine a mountain so colossal that its base could encompass the entire Hawaiian island chain. That's Olympus Mons. Its caldera, a cauldron-like depression at its summit, stretches over 50 miles wide, a testament to the unimaginable forces that birthed this volcanic giant. Olympus Mons is a testament to the power of sustained volcanic activity. Unlike Earth, where shifting tectonic plates constantly reshape the landscape, Mars' crust remains largely stationary. This allowed magma plumes to erupt from the same spot for eons, building Olympus Mons layer upon layer until it reached its colossal stature. Its gently sloping sides, formed by lava flows that spread out over vast distances, paint a mesmerizing picture of molten rock, sculpting a planet's face. To grasp the sheer scale of Olympus Mons, we must compare it to Earth's volcanic titans. Imagine stacking Mauna Kea, Earth's tallest volcano measured from its base on the ocean floor, atop another Mauna Kea, and then one more for good measure. You'd still fall short of Olympus Mons's towering height. Even the entire Hawaiian island chain, a product of millions of years of volcanic activity, would be dwarfed by this Martian behemoth. Scientific missions like NASA's Viking program in the 1970s and the Mars Global Surveyor in the late 1990s provided us with our first detailed glimpses of Olympus Mons. The images beamed back to Earth revealed its immense size, its caldera-scarred summit and the surrounding aureole, a vast plain of volcanic debris ejected during eruptions. These missions marked the beginning of our fascination with this Martian giant, fueling our desire to understand its formation and its implications for Mars' volcanic past. Olympus Mons isn't just a spectacle, it's a scientific goldmine. Its composition, structure and volcanic history offer clues about the interior of Mars and the processes that shaped it. The lava flows on its flanks, frozen in time, provide a timeline of Martian volcanic activity, potentially holding secrets about the planet's thermal evolution. Future missions to Olympus Mons could unlock even more secrets. Imagine rovers traversing its slopes, analysing the composition of its rocks and searching for signs of past hydrothermal activity. Such missions could answer questions about the duration of volcanic activity on Mars, the composition of its mantle, and even the potential for past life in its warmer, wetter past. Section 5. Valles Marineris, the Grand Canyon of Mars. If Olympus Mons represents the heights of Martian geology, then Valles Marineris embodies its dramatic depths. Stretching over 4,000 kilometers or 2,500 miles across the Martian surface, Valles Marineris is a canyon system of breathtaking proportions. To put it into perspective, it would span the entire contiguous United States, swallowing cities and landscapes whole. Valles Marineris is a testament to the immense tectonic forces that once racked the red planet. Its formation is thought to be linked to the Tharsis region, a vast volcanic plateau home to Olympus Mons and other colossal volcanoes. The weight of this volcanic bulge caused the Martian crust to stretch and crack, creating the massive rift system we see today. Section 6. A scar of fire and fury. Within the depths of Valles Marineris, we find a landscape sculpted by billions of years of geological activity. Towering cliffs, some reaching heights of up to 7 kilometers or 4.3 miles, cast long shadows across the canyon floor. Landslide deposits, evidence of colossal collapses, scar the canyon walls, hinting at a past shaped by seismic tremors. And winding through it all, we find channels carved by ancient rivers and glaciers, hinting at a time when water flowed freely on Mars. The canyon's diverse geology provides a window into Mars's past, offering clues about its climate, geology, and potential for life. Each layer of rock tells a story, from volcanic eruptions that spewed ash and lava to the slow, steady erosion by wind and water. Section 7. Valles Marineris versus the Grand Canyon, a tale of two worlds. While often compared to Earth's Grand Canyon, Valles Marineris dwarfs its terrestrial counterpart in scale. The Grand Canyon, an awe-inspiring sight in its own right, could easily fit within one of Valles Marineris' side canyons. This difference in size highlights the distinct geological processes that shaped these two iconic features. The Grand Canyon was carved by the relentless force of the Colorado River, slowly eroding the rock over millions of years. Valles Marineris, on the other hand, was born from a much more violent process, the ripping apart of Mars's crust by tectonic forces. This difference in origin is reflected in their respective features, the Grand Canyon's winding path versus Valles Marineris' relatively straight parallel walls. Section 8. The frozen poles of a red planet. Our journey across the Martian landscape concludes at its polar regions, where vast ice caps stand as silent sentinels, guarding secrets of Mars' past and future. These icy caps, composed of both water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, wax and wane with the Martian seasons, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. During the Martian winter, temperatures plummet, causing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to freeze and deposit onto the polar caps, increasing their size and extent. As spring arrives, the frozen carbon dioxide sublimates back into the atmosphere, revealing the underlying water ice. This seasonal cycle creates dramatic changes in the Martian polar landscapes, with ice caps expanding and contracting over thousands of kilometers. Section 9. Mars' icy secrets, clues to the past and future. The Martian polar ice caps are more than just frozen wastelands. They're time capsules, holding clues about Mars' climate history and potentially even signs of past life. Like Earth's ice cores, the Martian polar ice caps trap layers of dust and atmospheric gases, providing a record of Martian climate change over millions of years. Moreover, the presence of water ice at the poles has significant implications for future human exploration. Water ice could be used for a variety of purposes, from providing drinking water and irrigating crops to generating rocket fuel. The polar ice caps, therefore, represent not only scientific targets, but potential resources for future Martian settlers. Section 10. The allure of Mars continues. Olympus Mons, Valles Marineris, and the polar ice caps are just a few of the many wonders that make Mars such a captivating target for exploration. These landmarks serve as reminders of the red planet's dynamic past and its potential to unlock some of the solar system's greatest mysteries. As we continue to send probes, rovers, and one day even human explorers to Mars, we can look forward to unraveling more of its secrets. The discoveries we make on Mars will not only deepen our understanding of this fascinating world, but will also shed light on our own planet's past and the possibilities for life beyond Earth. The allure of Mars continues, beckoning us to explore its rusty surface and unlock the secrets it holds.